My name is Faisal, and I will teach you how to find resources for learning QGIS or practicing QGIS. So let's get started. Go to the following website. I'll zoom in. So write down qgis.org. Hit enter and go to documentation and we'll follow the documentation of stable version or long-term release version, which is 3.16. This is also valid for the latest version, which is at the time of making this video, it is 3.22.3, and long-term release is 3.16. So this documentation is valid for both. So in order to learn the lab exercises, in order to have good practice in the software and able to perform tasks, you should download this manual, which I have highlighted for you. QGIS training manual. This for lab exercises for practice. And in order to learn basics, you click on this link. So I'll click on this link. Okay. So let's click on this link. This will open the documentation, and you can also download this documentation QGIS training manual if you press this button at the left pan at the bottom, and then you choose download PDF. Click on it, and from here you choose the language in which you want to download. I'll choose English, EN, and from here you can download the manuals. Um, you should download the training manual and at least user guide. User guide help you to make you familiar with the QGIS interface, while training manual has the tutorials of QGIS. So I'll save this tutorial first in the download, and I will also download the uh, user interface manual, user guide as well. Save. In case if you are planning to learn programming in QGIS, you should also download this PyQGIS Developer Cookbook. It will help you to make your own plugins in QGIS or using the platform of QGIS to make your tools and, and plugin. So let's see the downloads. So downloads are in process. Meanwhile, let's go back to the documentation. Press back button, and let's open the course introduction. So uh, go to about exercise section, because here there is some information which I want to show you. Um, There's some exercise data available with this manual, which I will explain in the next video. That's why I showed you this page. Let's see the download. The download is complete. Let's open the training manual. And here we have our PDF file, which you can use offline and check your software. Let's have this in full screen. So let's get started with why QGIS is also very important. Why we need to learn QGIS. So I will read from here. As information become increasingly spatially aware, spatially will mean that every information is tied with the geographic location. There is no shortage of tools able to fulfill some or all commonly used GIS functions. So you can have many tools because we have many spatial information. Why should anyone be using QGIS over other GIS packages? So we have some reason here. Number one, it's free as in lunch. Number two, it is free as liberty, as freedom. It is constantly developing. Extensive help and documentation is available even on online as well. And finally, it is cross-platform. These are some of the reasons on basis of which you should download uh, and use QGIS. And you can read this manual yourself. I'll be in the coming videos. I will be explaining how to use this training manual. So that's it. Thank you.